Hello guys, this is David from Mobix. I'm going to show you an automation that we have developed for our clients. So the problem that we have detected is that there is no consistency when we create the records, mostly because this is created by humans and sometimes we do things differently. So as you can see here in this example, we are creating these opportunities, but we don't always keep the same format. Sometimes we use the plus sign and then we use a slash. Sometimes we use the app name. Sometimes we don't use it. So there is no consistency. And when we are linking our data with other platforms like Books or Google Drive, we get lost. So the key is to have data consistency. Now, the way we solve it is that we have developed a function that is going to create always an opportunity or any kind of record with the same pattern. So for example, in this case, we are creating an opportunity with the name of the account, the name of the project, and some priority. So these fields can be customized the way we want, and we're going to keep always the same pattern, always the same pattern. So that is going to give us data consistency. So let's look at a quick demo of this working. Here we're going to create our potential. So the name, this is the field that is going to be created automatically. So we put test here just to achieve the required field. We're going to create it for the account, let's say this one. And the offer title, we're going to say deploy function. So the way it is configured is that this potential will always have the name of the account and will always have this field, the offer title. And it's going to have an auto-numeric number that is generated automatically. So let's put the closing date here. And when I save this, if I refresh, you can see that automatically the name of this potential is an auto-numeric number, the name of the account, and the custom text that I assign. And if we look here, you can see that all our potentials keep the same pattern. The auto-generated code, the name of the account, and the custom text that we have decided. So this functionality can be deployed in any module. We can use it with any field that you want to include in your pattern, and it runs automatically. You don't even know how it works, and you don't have to worry about it. So bring your CRM to the next level with the Mobix automation tools. And if you need more information about this, don't forget to contact us. Bye.